lower the volume. So I'm playing this game called Trespasser. So I'm a police officer, and what do we do here? I didn't read the description of the game. Does it have tutorials? Yeah, I didn't read the description, so I don't know what to do. So let's just see if it has a tutorial. Yeah, I found this on my recommendation page in Roblox. It, so I tried to play that, and I didn't read the description. So, oh, we're in the game now. What does ESD mean? Why am I the only one here? Hello? What do I do? Incinerate patients. Okay. Oh, I have to give vitamins. Hello. Yank. Bye bye. Oh. Okay. Do I give him more vitamins? Oh. Don't decline suspicious staff. Give patients. Okay, so I have to burn the body. Let me burn this guy. Oh, I can dispose. Is this guy alive? Oh, this guy's alive. What? Bro, why is there no lights? Why are there no lights? This guy alive. Okay, so I need vitamins. I can't wait to save lives. Okay, let me follow. What? Bro, he just walked. Okay, let me go. Bro, you're just walking around. Okay, this way. Okay. This guy. Okay. Gotta give vitamins. There are more. This one. No. 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 Is there alive? I have to give him more. Okay. Okay. Bro, what are they doing? I'm the only one here dealing with the patients. Oh wait, there's this guy. Wait. 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 Why is there? Okay. Hey yo! Yo. Oh. Okay. Yeah, so my teammates are the ones letting in the random people, so I don't know if they're doing it right. Is this guy still alive? Yeah, he's still alive. I have to keep him alive. I have to give vitamins to keep them alive. Okay, he's still full health. Why are you walking around? What? What? Where's the nurse? Okay, so I'm the only one dealing with the patients. Oh, he's dealing with the patients too. Oh no, the first one. Where is that? Okay, so the doctor isn't even doing anything. He's just walking around. I'm just a police officer in the hospital. Why am I the one giving the vitamins? Where's the generator? What's that? Bro. Where's the generator? Oh, yeah. Okay. Perfect. Oh, okay. Still alive. Still alive. Yeah. He's still alive. Yeah. He's still alive. Okay. He's still alive. Okay. We need to keep them alive. Yeah. This guy is still alive. Yeah, still alive. You can't dispose alive patients. That means they're still alive. And the health bar is, I think, here. And it's beeping. I have to keep them alive even though I'm just a cop. Not even a doctor. Is that a patient or a doctor? Here is your daily vitamins. Okay. What happened? Okay, that guy's still alive. Okay. Why is it dark? Why are there no lights? Hello, I'm working for dude. Nah, bro. Oh no, you let in an intruder. Yeah, I'm hiding. I'm hiding. You let in an intruder. Bro doesn't have hands. He let in an intruder. I'm hiding. I'm hiding. Bro let in an intruder that doesn't have hands. Are we safe? Is it safe now? Okay. Is the intruder gone? Yeah, I think they're gone now. I just heard something. I heard something. I heard something. Hey yo. Hey yo. Hey yo. What? Yo. What? Oh, I died. I died. How are they alive and I'm not? Bro. I didn't even get to survive the first night. I guess that's all for today's video, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.